Danby refrigerator model DPF073C2BDB error codes. Preserve your leftovers or groceries with this 7.2 cubic feet Danby top mount refrigerator. The mechanical controls offer easy operation, while bottle door storage ensures rapid access to your beverages. This Danby top mount refrigerator has 3 adjustable glass shelves and a removable wire shelf for flexible storage, and interior lighting makes it simple to see what's inside. Error codes. Code E2. Problem: freezer temperature sensor failure. Code E5. Problem: freezer defrosting sensor failure. Code E6. Problem: communication failure. Code E7. Problem: ambient temperature sensor failure. Code E9. Problem: freezer high temperature.